Is this over? I'm scared to ask these questions, 'cause I know that you'll reject my love. Moving slower, frozen to these pieces without a shoulder to cry on.
Alright, good morning. Well, it's Monday. We've just been killing it on these 7 days off. Whoa. Got a bunch of mud to deal with. Just wanted to give you a last little update on the garden. Gotta watch myself out here, jeez. Here, I'll just show you guys. So, Jade started doing her landscaping. I've got my road pretty well smoothed out. I've used a lot of the topsoil inside of the garden just to try to level it out. Today we're just pretty much taking it easy. We're going to be putting a 1,000-liter water tote right on the inside there. I think I'll prop it up on 1 or 2 layers of cinder blocks just for some gravity. And then the plan, using the 2 hand-dunged wells, we're going to use the big 2-inch discharge pump, and we're just going to pump 1,000 liters into there, and then it should, hopefully with gravity, be able to water the furthest pods. If it doesn't, then I'll have a little fluid transfer pump, I think. It's like a sump pump, a utility pump, but basically if you take the butt end of it apart, there's a hose adapter, so you can have basically leaving the water tote into the pump. It can pressure pump it and then send it out in another hose, so that we can get pressure for a few hundred feet anyways, at least. So that's if the gravity doesn't work. Sorry, got a big piece of mud on my boot. Yeah, so we're gonna head off to the Benberg farm equipment and possibly look at some riding lawnmowers as well.
So I'm out here today on this beautiful, beautiful Friday, and I've surprised Eddie with finishing up the rock beds. We're going to transfer the hostas around our front of our house, and we're going to transplant them here in preparation for our 2-story addition. So a little bit of hard work on this beautiful day paid off. I hope you're surprised.